Traditional black bean soup. A side dish from Ecuador. Serves 4. You will need 14 ingredients. Step 1. Completely cover the beans with water and soak overnight. Step 2. Strain the old water and place the beans in a deep pot and add the 3 quarts of water and bay leaves. Bring to a boil, then simmer 3 to 4 hours, stirring frequently and adding more water if necessary. Step 3. In a sauté pan, heat the olive oil and add the peppers, shallots and onions. Cook until transparent, then add the garlic and then place the ingredients in a blender and liquefy. Step 4. Add this mixture, the sugar and salt, to the beans and cook an additional 20 to 30 minutes. Step 5. Adjust seasonings. Country reports, culture, countries, travel.